Now, part of Year 11 and 12 maths methods is being able to work in another unit of angle measure called radians. Now, radians is a measure of the circumference. Well, it's got something to do with the circumference of a circle. Anyhow, it's not important for what we're looking at here, but that's about where it comes from. We'll go into detail that in class. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at how to convert degrees to radians, radians to degrees, and how to work out sine of an angle given in radians. So, to convert from degrees to radians, what we do, we take our number, so our degrees, we say 30, and we multiply that by pi over 180. So this now becomes 30 pi over 180. Now, the 30 and the 180 will simplify to 1 on 6, so we're left with pi on 6. So 30 degrees is pi on 6. Now, to go from radians to degrees, we do the opposite. So we take our degree, we take our radian measure, 4 pi over 3, and we multiply that by the reciprocal of this, which is 180 over pi. So now what we end up with is 4 times 180, 4 times 180 pi over 3 pi. So the pi's will cancel. 180 divided by 3 gives us 60. So we've got 4 times 60. So we end up with 240. Now, for the last thing, we're asked to work out sine of pi on 4. So to do that, we've got to do is convert this pi on 4 to degrees. So pi on 4, radians to degrees, means it's pi on 4 times 180 over pi. So we've got 180 pi over 4 pi. Both our pi's cancel and we're left with 45 degrees. So that tells us that sine of pi on 4 is equal to sine of 45. We know sine of 45 is root 2 over 2. So, degrees to radians, we multiply our degrees by pi on 180 and then simplify. Radians to degrees, we multiply our radians by 180 on pi, the reciprocal of going from degrees to radians, and then we simplify. And if you're given sine of some radian measure, convert it to degrees and then work it out. Answer in CAS or whether you know it.